What's up,
good,
guys? Welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome back to another movie. So, guys, I want to kind of a little bit different, a little twist. New girl.
Yeah.
The name is Obsession, as you can already see down there, take below. That one, I kind of, I don't know, but that one, yeah, we did have like, we excited feet. I try we acting there. Boring. And we just excited if you don't edit and post till it all take long. I've been a shoot this movie for 5 days. Wait, because
So all of difficulties they go through, so
phone about for
tuned.
storage. The girl what we shoot with, she leave work in the evening and she come to shoot, so we like spending one night shoot. Then no me and him shoot who we see them in the day by ourselves, we put the phone on the stand and so we got all out phone now. I know some love watching movie them, so I just make sure so I can deliver to you always and then something this. So you just go and watch a movie. If you're new, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell
And just look out for the next episode, you see me? Yeah,
look out for part 2, and then we also have a next movie coming soon also, because we shoot 2 movies meanwhile, so
just know sir now get movie will come one after the other movie will come.
Yeah, guys, so just
stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.
Enormous entities.
Hi, babe. We can come in?
Yeah, we are, babe.
Really? Me tell her if you stop once with me now.
Boy, it ain't easy, yeah?
I see your house feel nice. I'm tell her if I make a movie, you know?
What?
Your house nice. I know I'm moving with you.
So you are moving with me?
Look how long me know you. And we just a friend. Me can't bother the friendship something. I go stop today. Me can't bother no
What you
more.
mean to go stop today?
Yeah, go on
Me
like...
not ready for no relationship. Me be not tell you Lacey. Me like you as a friend. Nothing else. No strings attached. Me be not tell you me like you as a friend. You're a good girl, see the whole part of man out there. Whole part of good man out there like me. But you just have to go out there and search till you find a good man. Me know you like me, but me like you as a friend. Nothing else.
We're not understanding, you know. Wally pa man out there, but you me want. You know, see, so we're perfect for each other. I you me want. I mean, now go stop till me get you.
You just have to put peer pressure. Me tell you, say, me like you as a friend, Lacey. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Me know a good man out there for you. You just have to go out there and search. I remember, he might find you one day, but I know me. Me I tell you the truth.
Well, you are tell me say you like me as a friend. Let me tell you the truth. Me in love with you. I'm want me if I'm married.
What? Why? Lacey, that's an obsession, you know? That is obsession.
Yeah.
What?
You're going like you have a girlfriend. You're single. You're not able to sleep by yourself every night. You know what? I come cook your dinner and wash your clothes. Me want a chance. Today, me want a chance. I'm not left till me get a chance.
What do you mean you not left till you get a chance? Me tell you, me not even going to repeat myself.
You're alone in this a nice house, yeah? I'm not moving, you know? Me a moving.
Well, Lacey. I don't even know how to tell you right now.
You don't have to tell me nothing. I don't tell you already.
So what you going to do now? I tell you something.
What me I going to do is call a taxi,
Go down for my things them and come up. Right on the bed and I sleep tonight. Sorry to say.
No disability.
So
No disability. I'm most.
this house is ours.
No ours, minds.
You can't just relax. Like, look how long me tell you, say, we are friends over 15 years now. And you never touch me in a day way that you know. Me tell you that you know.
But me tell you, I can't touch you in a damn way they become like you as a friend.
And me not like you as a friend. I want you to be my man. I want you to meet my mother.
Do me not know your mother already?
Meet her as in her son-in-law. You know what down the aisle? Me tell her this dog and we are going to move in. Me sorry, but me I come up here, come live. Me sorry.
Well, let's see, just now you me and say, like me a talk and he just a poop 3 years.
All you do is just hurt my feelings. That's all you do every day. I feel you treat me like my nana feelings. You know what? Me are gonna leave today and me I make you think about it, but guess what? Me I come back up here tomorrow, me I come cook. You see dirty clothes that we have to take them out because me I come wash. Me I prepare dinner and whether you want to eat it or not, me I come do it. And me done talk. So I'll be coming back tomorrow. So think about what me say.
Why?
Your phone case color brighty?
Yeah, girl, you must have my boyfriend buy for me.
I'm like you pretty though. So I want differently.
Girl, me there. You know see a life agreed me?
Me you say I just get fat so.
Girl, I man do me fine. Me never tell you about him.
No.
Girl, things start going to be expensive. You see on my phone? I him buy for me.
Wow, that is really nice.
Everything I want me get.
Then man ordered it still there like that?
Girl, me I wonder if you and a friend can give you.
You know say my things bit I just straight college cause me
Girl,
just
stop going like, stop going so. You think college... Girl, you want one man in your life, girl.
One guy help me?
So what help me? Me tell you, girl, me tell you say my life good, you know, girl. You see on my rent? Him pay for 5 months.
How will you say?
5 months.
That is very good, but that is very good. Me have best friend, but you remember I say you cannot depend on a man to do things for you. Cause one day I'm gonna just get up and stop. Who are gonna do all of that for you? You have to be independent.
Girl, he might open my business, give me. He said me not, you know, I'm work for nobody. I 2 business me have pending.
Well, if I say go then that is very good. My
Girl,
very proud of you.
I can't wait till you meet him. Because I tell you this man, he spoil me. So when you hear him call me.
That is very nice. But anyways, always your mother a long time I come around here.
You know, so she did a do she the next one.
She still like you
Problem. If she don't want to come there. Let me have to move there. I don't know. But... So your mother go there?
Yeah man, she alright. She not there, she probably gone at church, you know. For her thing, church right through.
Girl, before you start at college, I don't know how I'm going.
We'll try to say, not that shy.
Before you start at college, things just different. Normally we go on a road and some first start at college, we not go nowhere.
Girl, you not understand me. Listen. Me have one bag of project, one bag of exam. Me can't go road like done for me. Me have to focus on the thing there. When time me get holiday like oh right now, me dep on one long time. So when I can go road now, girl, but you don't know say me have to make my mother proud. Sorry
Me
about that.
understand, but you go on like say book can't make you get husband, girl. You have to come out with the month of money there. I would me find my man in a girl.
Man, they're college too. They want them
I would me find my but they want to not go spoil it, but you say boy spoil me, girl.
You exchange?
No girl, me not extra, he spoil me.
Lacy, you're very extra.
Me not extra, girl. That's everything we're seeing in my house, I him buy them.
Well, that is nice. So.
And he's supposed to go, you know. So you know, so he got a friend every minute they are Western Union, girl. Every minute, we can't wait. But I'm gonna miss him.
I'm glad to see you.
So I'm glad to myself, girl.
So we are the video. So go cook a pot or you
Go cook, no? have to marry that boy, yeah. I have to marry him. I have to get him. Babe. You look nice even in your towel.
Where you doing?
You know, see some food me cook some I can't come here. But I not never see some welcome myself.
A beard.
Yeah, I know. Mama say our house, so I not see some welcome myself.
Ah, God. Your friend, you mean? Come and say who there in here? Put on my shirt.
You was nice.
You keep on I said that, you tell me not 100 times.
Imagine how the picture on the wall is so. That looks so nice.
Imagine what?
What the picture on the wall.
You're gone far now, let's see. Where you look for over there, sir?
Yes, thank you, Jesus. Yes, me say yes.
What?
Me accept it, me say yes. You know how long me was you want married me, you hide your feelings. You hide your feelings. Look how you look nice for my finger, I just sit down.
Where you find that?
I know you buy this for me.
Me?
You know how long me was you want married me. Oh, God, we have got to call Kiera. You know me I go up our yard.
At first, me I see that ring them, I never see that ring in my life.
Well, you see it now upon my finger, so we're married. I'm going to tell Kiera and tell Mama, I can't wait. Which pair want to get married?
Jeez.
Which pair want to get married?
Let's see. Me tell you, say me never see that ring.
It's alright. Save that for later. Later we'll talk here, babe. Bye. I'm going to tell Kiera this.
Let's see.
No, girl.
What you notice about me, girl?
Yeah, what's your favorite color?
Me can't take out that girl. You're slow, you know? And you got college. Me tell her to stop going college. Girl, we you notice about me, girl.
Let me see.
Girl, you know this is what engaged to me? Girl, me tell her the things are going for me.
Girl, let me see it.
Girl, me should even show you. Can you go on like your bright sparks and no one, no man.
Come and see. We got top one.
Girl, last night I go up on
Diamonds
yard.
for days.
I go up on yard last night, girl. And I said, go down on your knee. Ask me. Me say me cry. I swear to God.
So you know most.
Girl, me excited, you know.
You're in love with you?
Me in love. And the boy love me, you know. He tell me how much he love me and he can't do without me. Girl, I'm glad to find this boy.
I'm
Yeah.
glad for you too.
Girl, last night I put on my finger, you know, girl. It fit me down.
You look nice.
It fit my image.
Right.
So we can go and look for some wedding dress. Because you know it's a wedding soon.
You want to look my wedding dress?
That one is nice.
Lacy, give me this.
Girl, this nice.
Listen, before I talk about wedding dress, you sure you know what you want?
You know see a bad man?
I know that.
No, you know say I'm my best friend. You
Me
have
and
to
best
stop.
friend. Listen. Sometimes we make mistakes in our life.
So you think this a mistake? So what me do now? Slide and drop in the boy life.
Sit down, Lacy, sit down.
Me nah sit down, girl. Okay, too bad man. Because me gone me yard.
Listen to what me I say. Listen now. In pay your rent, in buy an expensive ring. Me want to know, you're my best friend, me want to know if you are happy, Lacy. I want to know if you are happy. Me know why you run get married to this man just because I have money in big house, in my gear 2 business. You're happy, Lacy?
Look for me good, Kiera. You can ask me if I'm happy, girl. No, look for me good, girl. You know, see if you stop and you say I'm a friend, I sit down and say I'm reason with you, but you're bad mind. Yes, because you're not a man, you're bad mind. Look for my finger, girl. You know, see me think just up, girl.
I'm not bad man, I just want to know if you're happy and I want to know if you're alright.
Girl,
I know why you go married and then
me happy, girl.
2 weeks, 3 weeks later, him start cheat or something.
Girl, me happy. I want more you follow me go down at the way the place down your road down there, so.
We can follow you, but as long as you're happy, me
Girl,
happy
me
for
happy.
you. And we will do anything you want. We go look for dress, you want to go on a place. You ready right now?
Yeah.
Come on.
Girl, you know more you do invite some of your schoolmates them because that wedding they are going to be the biggest wedding in Port Antonio.
No problem.
A helicopter me a flying a girl. Big up myself.
Great.
The boy love me.
Go on. Take time, I don't want
And drop on my finger. Broke my ring.
You're extra.
My extra girl. I love the boy.
Well, congratulations. I'm proud of you. I'm very, very proud. And that is a good thing.
Girl, I can't wait to tell my mother this and news. Because you know how long my mother got married? You know what boy say? Me and them go go foreign and them buy one yacht for me.
That is very nice. Anyways, we have to go get you one gift. So we have to go check out church. Where you want to do? You want to do in the church? You want to do it around
I feel like I want to do it on the yacht.
Oh, well, that's
So
nice.
I just a scratch
And
on my
then we have
face
to go-
right here, so. Right here, so. Girl,
Let's see extend.
girl.
on.
But me I say I want to do it on the
listen,
yacht.
you have to go get one. We can't bother with it, you know. We have to go get a pastor. We have to go pay him plus. Remember, say if you have to go on yacht, you have to go have him more room on there for him stay.
Girl, remember say my yacht. Remember say my man have money, you know. We're talking about my man right here, so my fiancé.
Alright, let's go.
Come please, correct
Next
yourself,
thing, we are
girl.
going to do, we are going to get to do the catering.
No, we are pay people for that.
Alright, and then you say yacht, then the pasta check, dress, what else?
I wonder if we can pay some people like to
Photographer, you
come.
want photographer? Videographer?
Yeah. I wonder if we can pay some people like to come make up audience come and say the biggest wedding up on Antonio.
Oh, so you're going to pay people where you don't know. You want people where you don't know. what you want.
Girl, come on.
Girl, I waste money. You know, you can't help me pay
My
for my
man-
college tuition for this month.
Me not, you know why I'm not gonna help you? You know why I'm not gonna help you?
Why?
Because you could have a man who help you.
Come on.
Me tell you about you for stop.
Well, that just the real did look very nice.
Girl, you sit down for me,
You
girl.
just get engaged last night here and just today.
You don't know if you want to tell me tomorrow, say come on, I can marry. Don't man got it like that, girl. To be a boy love me, me can expect anything right now. You can't tell me say a man we are getting married, girl. But one day me fi call, man, I'm fi call him, tell him say no
You go
one.
order your shoes online or something?
And do it through Express.
Yeah,
Want
we
to
go to
dearest shoes.
I know one girl perfect to do your makeup. And I will call the photographer and the videographer because I have some links where go to college with me.
Remember
Or me
say-
could have do it because remember say me a cinematographer.
Yeah, but me I say girl, remember say I'm a big day this year. So you see makeup girl, I feel perfect. Like Nicki Minaj, you understand? Girl, but you just sit down for me do. I wonder what they are wearing.
So what your mother said, you worry about him. What your mother say, since your mother don't like when he come here, what your mother say about that?
Girl, you know say I'm money. My mother have money, me can just squeeze my mother 100K. Mama say me soon gone, you know, we soon one half.
Alright.
Squeeze my mother one little thing make she
Anyways,
pretend.
me now go back over my yard and I come up with you.
You come up a yard?
Yeah.
Alright girl. But girl,
If your girl me one more time.
me no want you come up there and him go pop up.
Alright. Me
A
I got me.
surprise.
Alright, me I got me yard.
Alright, me I go up here. Me go look
Alright.
about something. Later I come back.
Now come back later.
Yeah, I'm gonna start cook. So in case him come.
Yeah, alright.
Stop babe, me on the road. Me tell her say me and you not there.
Oh, see, you share mommy now. You share mommy? I
Me
want.
shame of you.
No, sir.
Me and you not there.
Remember saying your fiancé, you know what I mean by...
You hard
Me
to
and the-
understand him. She say you hard to understand.
Father, what me ever do to deserve this?
You hard for you. Hard to understand. Why hard to understand?
What hard for me understand? Alright, everybody, come here.
Let's
Come here. You see, if you know one up and I walk with me, put on rest of me, I make everybody know say me here. So pick a choice. So we there? We there now? We there?
Come on,
Alright
listen,
then, everybody-
Wait, no, wait.
We there?
Yeah.
So we there?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Come, baby. Alright.
Yeah, me alright.
Can you come on here?
Yes.
I love your haircut. Like, you look sweet. Let's see me at the back, you know.
Listen, me in there. I don't know why you're load of people. There's so much people there in the supermarket.
You share mommy? Something don't know more often wife something to me. Something to me.
Listen, something wrong with you? Something wrong with you? Because me I tell you, it just like it just a fly through your ears and you know hear me I say?
But you tell me don't listen to me there. So I will let a little walk come and say, well,
listen, nobody do foolish.
You make me shame.
You just upset me right now.
Me just, you know me love you. Stop going so. Me know you love me, you just play hard. You love me though.
Listen.
Just play hard.
Tell you, say, like you as a friend. As a friend.
But that can change.
You hear the last part?
That can change. Me
hear the last
part? Me boss about your enemies are really made.
Listen, me ain't know that.
Serious? Come back now. Understand.
Talk to me now, Lacey. Me not like how you looking now.
Girl, me want to tell you but me never want to judge me because you remember you want me about the boy?
Not this story.
Girl.
I hate to say I told you so.
Girl, I see him down in the supermarket down there so. And me I talk to you know my man, so yeah, you know he rough me up down the road. If you lucky say I love him, I not disagree with him down there.
What do you mean? I'm confused right now because I know you're from when a man never get rough you because you're a rough cut. So how that the man they get free rough you up people touch you?
Girl, you know me weak to you, man. And you never love him, man.
Lacey, you have a YouTube channel? You prank me? Where phone? Where camera?
Girl, I wish I did prank this. I wish I did prank.
You have a person to talk about weak to man?
Girl, I love him.
I know you're dirty person before him and I know you beat them right through if you even try to touch you. So you really make this one?
Girl,
really?
I don't know about something about that boy. Yeah. He just have me head away. You have me head going.
Lacey, I'm best friend but me here to say it. You sound like I really am.
I don't ask Christ. Me
So
young
you
for that
are
boy, yeah.
You're gonna let him?
You mad girl?
Oh, so him disgrace you, as you say, and him rough you up on the road in front of people and you not left him?
Actually, love me making do that. Me not left him, me not left him. Me not sad and make a next girl happy with him. But rather tough it out.
Oh, so if you not love, if you not love you, you rough you up?
No, girl, that's you. Nobody never love you. Make you go and say no.
Yes,
Me
you
tell
know
you, say
what?
you need to
You know
find
what
a
you
man.
do?
You don't know what love
You
is.
better you go on up, go take up your Bible and read it. Because something serious wrong with you.
Girl, it's like, you see, me tell us you're a bad man, you know. Me tell us you're a bad
You see
man.
when he kill you, don't come at me yard.
Kill me? Girl, he not gonna kill me and he love me.
No, but you say if he not hurt you, no love you. So when he kill you, we say, oh, he still love me, that's why he kill me. Because you look like you not no sense. You're a big woman less. You go like say you have sense and stop going like fool.
Girl, all you talk, you're just bad man. You know. Me, by later, me and him good again. You know that, girl. Relationship of ups and downs.
So if by later you and him good again, you come and complain to me for? Yeah, waste my time and me have to cook more than day work.
So you can't, one evening you can't have a son dinner?
Listen, your man will rough you up, make him go buy your KFC.
You know, so that is not a problem if him buy me nothing.
So
girl.
when we make him buy you, go and friend him up back,
Them
make
friend
you
a
rough
bad
you up
man.
and feed you and rough you up and give you money. Make you rough you up and spoil you. Since I that you like. Yeah, you're not easy, you know? You're not easy.
Girl, me come here as a friend for you tell me, you give me, for you encourage me, and you try to tear me down.
You call that tearing down when time I try to make everything make sense to you and I show you say you're not good to somebody. You tell me say man only rough
You
you
mean
because
by
he
my man
love
and a
you.
good smaddy? Kiera really some man and a good smaddy, Kiera? Or if you say my man and a good, you know about my man? You know something about my man, yeah?
From what I have
Yeah,
heard,
I better make on come me yard, you know.
from what I've heard, Lacey,
You're not
that
hearing
man
nothing.
take you for one fool.
Take off a fool. I love him, love me.
Oh.
Better make come come me yard.
You see when I give you 3 more bucks, don't come back to me. I love you, love you.
Me
I
got me
love
yard.
box.
You're too bad man. Go and cook your dinner. Come here, go up to my man.
I cannot listen to it.
Me a California evening, me call him for.
You call me.
You remember me a California for what that's supposed. Me just want to tell you say me sorry for what me behave down the road.
Just don't make it happen again. Do.
So you think you fear? You think you fear? No, sir. You think you fear if you treat me, sir? Me want nice girl. Me not deserve this.
Let's see. You keep on tell us, say, like you as a friend. Nothing more.
I'm like you. I want me if it day.
I'm tell us that can't keep on tell you it cannot happen.
You know, say if me the things are different.
Oh, how different.
Me would want so. Cause me already get here, so me would go on so.
Let's see. Alright. You accept apology.
See you really run me?
And I run me, I run you.
All you make me do, that's how I catch your feelings.
I like that. Go on home.
Me I go left, but I not go ever come back. I just stay out.
You have to come back. Go on.
All you do just hurt my feelings here. Just tell me say you're sorry.
I'm sorry. Go on.
You forgive me?
Yeah,
You good now?
Yes.
Alright, make sure. Me I go up. Me I cook the you want?
Yeah, right. Me just.
Me I cook your favorite food.
Oh, you know my favorite food?
Really, babe? Come on. Ask me something.
Call me them babe.
You want the food?
Me alright. You know you tie me. Cause so you're obsessed already. What you wouldn't do?
Me
Go
not
on with the
obsessed
food.
with
Go
you,
on
but-
with the food.
I'm going to me yard.
Go on.
Take good care of yourself.
Me always do. Yeah, me I tell her around 4 to 5 times she come and I tell her, you know, say me and her no day. And she come and say, babe, all of the day. Me not, oh when? She day in her town and come out of supermarket and she say, babe, whole person man did there and me I say, you can't call me so in her town. Yeah. Brother, she just obsessed with me, brother. Many times me tell her, I say, Lacy, me ain't a day. Tap say me ain't a day, me ain't a day. She keep on a do it. Right now, she just make me get upset, brother. Every day she come from my yard. Every day. Yeah, man, right now, I fly, me I look for fly out right now. If right now, if she come out today, me I tell her, say, me I go, me I left here. Cause right now, me tired of her, me tired. Everywhere me go, she find me, brother. Everywhere me go. So me I just fly out for 1 year or so and come back. Yeah. So you're good different low. Alright, yeah. So tomorrow I go cut still now. So if you want to see me, you can link me. Yeah. Alright, just stay safe for the girl. Yeah.
So you really hear me understand that kind of answer me?
Listen, me tell you to stop pop up. Me ain't not there. Stop pop up me yard.
I know.
Anyways, what you say nothing? Me I fly out tomorrow. So you can't stop come over me yard now cause me not go there.
You fly out tomorrow? And me doesn't know about that? What kind of relationship put in her? You have tomorrow you left in her me just and over that. But any day I pop up here and see what me not fi see.
Where
Yeah,
not fi see? Me ain't there like see. Me keep on not tell you say me ain't not there.
Me pop up here and see no girl up here with no one. So you are going tomorrow me just and about this. I what we are keep secret now?
You will laugh. So if me not even answer that. Me not gonna answer that, you know. Because every day you come here and tempt me. Me are you not there. Last time I tell you. So just you can't go on home. Because I left right now.
So what am I fi do? Pack my bag?
Pack your bag for?
Cause we're going together. So more know what to do.
Plus it's like something wrong with your head, you know. It's like you lose a screw and you the junker.
It's alright. Anyway, remember when you come back, I'm going to send us out something when you buy for me. And see if I can buy a ring over there, because maybe cheap over there. And dog over there go look no girl.
Which ring?
Dog, I'm going to put on chock up on you, you know. Anyhow, if I Jamaican, ear see over there with one. If I fly pitch for you over there, a problem.
Let's see, go on. Go on, Lacey.
You know, every
Go on,
time
Lacey.
no, me don't go me, but I tell her already now, you see, if I fly pitch for you over there, a problem.
Go on.
Don't want to want me. Because I don't know why problem with me you can't do. I tell her this.
You have key for me house?
Will me live here? So obviously. Kiera, which ready? You know, they don't come in here, but girl, I have a whole place to clean up. I just can't bother. You can't come around here. Alright, do that. Might buy you. Girl, come. Girl, I'm beating. I'm just beating. I feel laugh.
I want to know why problem of force. Me see my best friend down. You're not the type of person for your Facebook, so.
Girl, let me tell you, say, the boy who came, I'm going to find with him. Girl, last night I go up my yard. Only feel weird the news to me. And tomorrow I'm going. I'm going to get for bad ago. I'm vexed your friend, girl. I know I'm depressed.
So, you know what I've been here with him. So all of a sudden, I know him plan to tell her that tomorrow I'm going. So I tell about that dirty man, the other talk about bad man, I did one. Do fine, you know.
Stop talking about my man, so girl. I'm going to let me have a visa or I can go on plane. Girl, it matter about plane ticket and one bag of something. You know, scared.
So after last night, and I know you plan to call me that day. You could call me early this morning or you come on me last night to come tell me.
Girl, actually I would know how me feel. Last night I went there, I had me so like an idiot. First thing, he might go away for about a year. Oh, me go do those things so long. You know, say me no want other man, girl.
Well, you better go find one. Or you make sure say you make a union and MoneyGram and real right through. Because you know you love money already.
Girl, he promised me say anytime he go up the first week he must send money. I mean no, because he spoil money out there, so when he go up, why not?
Why that? No good still. Anyways, I cook. Because I cook. I did not cook and laugh and cook for your son for the phone. I feel like I
love your belly, my girl.
Yeah,
cook when me cook something, yes, so go in and so get something.
When they are cooking.
Girl, we see a while ago. Come back from foreign. So, oh, you know all of this? Because we can't take it. You see him last night? I telling me not to get ready and go up the dinner. Girl, alright now, I go put on my, me I put on my clothes and go there right now. You know what I'm gonna say, man? Me not even go bother change. Me, fuck them, me go right now. Taga! What a boy are there? Taga!
Birmingham.
Hello?
Yeah, try to find Taylor run here. I don't know Rasta man.
I'm not sure which Rasta man. We have no Taylor, we are Rasta man. You have to be more respectful.
Taylor them call him.
Peanut Dread?
Yeah.
Oh, run away, yeah. You're going wrong way, that way there.
That way there?
Yeah.
You look nice, doors different me.
Thanks.
What's your name?
Kiera, you?
My name Tugger them call me.
Oh, where you look so
Oh look.
foreignish? You're a foreigner?
I
When I
really
first met you,
still
see you
travel more time.
Oh. Well, you kind of smell like you just come off her eyes.
The on the eyes all well, bunch of. You can't get a number from like a shape and things.
Sure, but you want me to show you Peanut Dread? We can walk and talk more, talk more life.
Yeah, man.
You know, you can seem like a nice person. Yeah, eat cake in a disappointment. You know, so see a cooking time.
Every time I come at my yard, they ask me about food. Master, let me belly run your yard, man.
I left my belly on my yard because as we tell on the phone, I have good news for you.
You know that I shut up for me a long time, you come and tell me about food.
Oh girl, sorry, you know I love talk about food already. Anyways, yesterday I was on the road, right?
Yeah.
You don't really talk about food. But me I walk and put on the mini mart.
When I turn festively.
This nigga bought me. Hi. Good evening, miss. What's your name? I'm here to say, hi, I am Kiera. And he must say, he's from whatever, and he just come from foreign, and he don't know a place. So I asked him to show him something, right? Things were in a things, I'm showing him place.
What going on? Because the last time I checked, you know, no man, you talk about books, so what going on?
Relax, man.
Relax, no, relax, I'm just talk.
This is what we are saying now. When me know me I walk to show him a place, we did that talk, and like, we did just have this moment where we don't know him, a stranger, and we all laugh and a chat, whatever. But anyways, he asked me out, so tomorrow we are going on a date. So I think we finally find one man, and I don't know if he probably too fast, but I feel like something like it.
You too fast, girl. I'm happy feel no longer with one man. When I too fast, me happy feel.
Thank you.
No, girl.
Some come to make him know.
If my man did, I'm gonna go for a double date.
True. Speaking of your man, anyway, before we even talk about your man, we go want to come on my yard tomorrow, come help me get ready, makeup and shit stuff. Your man, I want you to have no one nothing come back. I want for that.
Girl, it look like you run off. But you know, I still there fine and he make me get everything. I still get my money and he my pop barrel. So we not talk about him, girl. We not talk about him.
No, me I talk about him because you get money and you're not even calling me and say, you see a change you have to pay for your college exam or something. I say you treat your best friend.
Girl, stop it. Come on, I could go down here, so.
Bye.
I was going to say, a long time we see her, I like a long time. say as I come back, as I say a foreign day, I'm gonna come back a week now.
So what they gonna do by the way?
They go study
Oh, study what?
cinematography, man. I'm gonna do filming and
Oh, that's good. Me kind of looking at the thing that too, that me also there college for.
yeah.
Oh, you better oversee soon, but you know really have it like that, so
Oh.
me have to just do there, so. And we all meet up to, you asked me to just show you something, and then from the time they went we did a laugh and talk and something. The bandit feel real nice, so
You have a connection.
yeah. Because my best friend that live with her come and she said she didn't know where I would come.
The
Come
best
by and
friend?
meet her, yeah.
Maybe now if you see her come here, something to go look good.
Oh, so where do I go again though?
You're good, man. We can go tomorrow.
Alright, that sounds good. So what about your mother? Okay, mother, you live with your mother? Your mother still alive?
Me alone.
Oh, your mother still alive?
Yeah.
Your father still alive? So what's in the town?
We have around 5 family members.
Oh, well. So, where's your day after the youth?
I set up a match up library.
You could come with it?
No, man, you're good, man. Yes.
Yes, I'm my best friend now, so I guess.
She soon come, man. Me come back early and check her out.
Alright, so since you have to go there, probably you'll just meet her next time.
So, what man say again, man? Come.
Yeah.
You come back from foreign. Me not even know see you come back. And you don't have my best friend yard.
Let's see.
So weird. I am best friend there. After everybody else in the world, I'm my best friend there with them. Father.
Let's see. Stop creating excitement. You already know say me and you not there. So why you create excitement out there so?
Me have to create excitement. Yeah, my fiance. Where this
What?
for? Where
Me
you think
and
this
you
for?
not there.
So idiot you want to take me for?
Me not take you for no idiot. Me and you not there, Lacey. Me and you is not in any relationship.
Well, me and you not in there. Me don't know what got happen, but remember say we have to married. And me disappointed. You come, you never say Kiera want suit of clothes for me or nothing. Over my best friend you had to itch up. She next one, you wait till me done and go
Let's
over
see.
there to work because she take my man.
Let's see. Calm down yourself, no man. Me tell you this 100 times. Me and you not there. Me not even did know say are your best friend that.
Well, no, you know. See, I'm my best friend. And you think you're going to come, you see how me there, and me sit down and wait for you to come back from
Sit down
foreign.
and wait for me?
1 year and order.
Me where wait for me for?
So after you hurt me, you promise me say you come back and married to me. And you hurt me the way I come play a victim now.
Me nah
I kill me
play
for
no-
killing you know.
Kilo.
She ain't even know.
You go too far now, you know. You go too far.
Brother, you break my heart. You break my heart and I tell me, say me I go too far. You see her, Kiera? She can't even deal back with me.
Right now, me not even like talking right now, you know, let's see.
You know how much people cuss me and tell me say me I am made for you? You know how much people cuss me and tell me? I'm still only like a G because me I say you at the end of the day.
Right now, me not like talking right now. Because right now, what you say, it don't make no sense. Right now, me just have to go up on my yard, be here and lie down. Because me not understand you. I'll know.
Alright, you see if me can't get you, nobody else now get you. I must damage somebody for you.
So when you say you want to talk to me, boy?
I want to talk to you about your friend Lacey. You never know say your best friend
Oh, you know Lacey?
Lazy, before I got foreign, Lazy been a come me yard. I tell me, say me and her
Hold
dead.
on. Lacey? Are you name? Oh shit. Lacey tell me say she have a man. We have money. She married to her.
Me?
You give her everything she want. You give her 2 business. And tell me say you go foreign and come back. Are you Lacey at all? So me never know say you. I'm confused.
Lazy, she does every day she come up on my yard and tell me say me and her dead. Other day she come up on my yard before me got foreign. Long time she come up there and she put one ring. Never she put the ring there, but me never see ring yet. Put a ring on finger, say me and her married and kind of.
Lacey tell me say you engaged to her. I'm confused. So you are Lacey future husband we should be not telling about?
Yes.
So how me just know that?
Hey, me I tell you now.
But me you can't continue for you Lacey, you know with Lacey I'm my best friend. You know what
Me
she
no
would do
know
if she
that.
find out she knew already?
Me no know that.
She knew already?
So me and talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. She know about it because other day they come up here.
You mean yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday they come up here. As me walk out of she, me buck up in the that's all.
Cause me did call her over so she did the and then me did say she never bother come that me say she did out there say all time I watch me. So what we are gonna do about that? Me you can't continue, you know, you have to know that Lacey I'm my best friend and I know Lacey is sick.
Lazy and me not have nothing. So you have nothing for her.
But you married to her, you give her money, you
Listen,
give her
no man, me not give her no money, me not give her
Listen,
nothing.
listen, me and Lacey have to talk about this first and me have to make sure know. Me can't really say Lacey really so that's why she not call me and text me last night. Sorry, but me I forgot to talk to Lacey about this.
You know long me not see you? Girl, me and you not have nothing to talk about. I bet you
Lacey, listen
like a
to me now.
family,
Me
huh?
I talk to you, listen please.
Talk, I mean, I have a whole day.
I've been not sure how long in Ghana foreign for. Me never know say.
saying gonna find.
He tell me say the first time we meet, he tell me say he just come from foreign and he introduced himself to me. Me never know say a year tugger. Me think of somebody else different. And then when me call you down at house, now he tell me say this one in him tell me saying it buck you up and yeah say around him and you're obsessed with him and him tell me say y'all engage yourself over
You
him
know if
and
you
whatever
lie,
something.
my Tugger can't tell you that. You lie, you just a makeup baiting. My man Tugger can't tell you that. You want the man till I tell lie. Girl, get a life.
I don't lie, me I tell him tell me say you're obsessed with him. Y'all I call him babe on the road and there's something there. And me I tell him say that don't sound like my best friend and plus me tell him say me and him need to just think about things little and me I will talk to you first because me a best friend and me can't choose man over my best friend.
You don't choose man over your best friend. And first thing first, girl, I not even know why my son up not talking with you. I don't know why.
Lacey, just hear me out and just forgive me. Me never know. Me not even know say you did come my house and me he say you did out there look like you out there long time and watch me and I wait for him. Why you never just come to me so we could have started out there? Me and a friend for how much years and you deal with me so?
Well, correction, me you did a friend, not friend. Any girl, boy, try look my man or try fool on my man, many man no friend. So correction.
Lacey, we can't behave like this. So we are going to do? We are going to fight? We are going to fight? We are going to fight?
Me and you are going to fight? But I'm not your man, girl, I'm my man. What do you mean by me? You're going to fight over my man. I'm going to take what rightfully belongs to me. So you have to go one side. I mean, I don't know why I'm going to work it out, but Tugger mine. Tugger is mine. I'm not going to talk.
Lacey,
I'm going to talk to you.
I just talked to Lacey a while ago. She seemed humble and fine. Me know Lacey. Me and Lacey are friends for 10 years.
Me and
Best
Lacy
friend for
not
10
have
years.
nothing. She for Bex and me and her.
She said me take her man. You remember something? This is what you talk about. Me know Lacey. Lacey was once obsessed with one man and she almost killed a girl for her. So, you see, because we done in this situation already, me I go back on my hand, me go change my clothes and me go come after your house can stay tonight. Lacey know my every move, Lacey know my jacket, my beard, Lacey know everything. I'm best friend, me and her text and talk everything. So, Lacey, we come on my yard. We know Lacey. Plus, Lacey tell me say she in love with you and oh she love a bad man and she want murder and all wedding dress we did go look on when she tell me say yeah and her. That means Lacey really in love with you and Lacey we kill anybody for you and me know Lacey. So what me I gonna do? We just come here and hide out. Hope she can't find me. I don't think she will come look for me there. So if she even come look for you, probably she will just no so me not me I gonna do but me no know she can't come in your house. She have spare key for your house since you know the girl.
Me no key. Me no there.
Me I come in your house come stay tonight. Me I go back home.
Alright. Go and do it.
I can't believe she never tell me say about Lacey.
Me never know that Lacey your friend.
Me I go back on my house
Tell
and me
us
go come back. You come meet me or
yesterday.
you come meet me that night.
You afraid to come?
Yes, I'm afraid. You know what with Lacey? Me tell her what Lacey will
meet
do.
Me come
And me stop Lacey from kill last girl who she think take
Me
her
come
man.
meet you. Don't worry yourself. So welcome to my crib. This is my safe place where I get away from people, you know?
You get away from people?
Yeah. This is my comfort zone where I just get away from people. You know, you understand me I talk?
Yeah, I like anyways a lot nice. The place look alright. But pink, your boyfriend here choose pink?
No, I like pink, man. Pink is the way.
That is very funny. But anyways, you know you never already told me so we can come here for chit chat, so
You know me I tell you so I go tonight.
alright, cause we go out like every night. But every night I want to go out, you know, something different.
Something different like what? Yeah?
You know what I'm talking about? Stop it up. You don't know what I'm talking about? You want me to show you?
You think that
You want me
too
to show you?
fast?
You want me to show you? Not too
No,
fast,
yeah,
life shot, you only live once.
Wanna surprise?
Let's see what you are doing here.
What you doing? You know her?
Of course we know her.
Wanna know what this is?
Lacey, I'm your
Lacey.
best friend. What you
Lacey.
doing here?
Best friend? And you tell me, shut up. Better you shut up, you know.
Lacey.
Better you shut up, you know.
Lacey, man, what you do?
Oh, so all in a present with a gun, you still defend him. Move from side there, move from side there, move from side there.
Put on that.
Shut up your mouth. See, you plan and take my man. After my pose, I know you're the bad man, you know.
Lacey, me
Lacey.
never know.
Shut up.
Lacey.
Don't wanna shut up in the mouth, you know.
Let's put on that no man.
If you tell him if you shut up again, I'm gonna treat if you shut up. You broke my heart, you know.
Lazy.
I am gonna come there with my best friend,
you
huh?
know, come with that.
Don't come in here. I swear by my life tonight.
You want her there?
Me and her not there.
Me and him married.
Me
And he was
Lacey.
married to you, Lacey?
And him, I always tell about.
You tell me say
me
you're
and
not.
her not there.
She tell me say you.
Brought this up, brought this up. I don't want you not offended.
Lazy, put on the gun.
Put on which gun?
Lazy. Why you can't just listen to me say me and you not there?
Me and you on there. You think you take me for a little fool?
Listen, me and your best friend.
We are my best friend. That was then. We're not best friend no more.
Lacey, you never know see you and him there. You can't blame me and him. You have to
Lazy,
blame.
Guess
put
why
on
you
the
don't
gun,
know?
man.
Remember one time when he tell us,
Yo,
get mad in a war. Get mad. Get
put
mad,
on the
let me
gun,
see.
put on the gun.
Get mad, let me see
Put
that
on-
this. Get mad.
Lacey,
Shut up and go sit down. Go back over there, son.
Put on the gun, Lazy.
Up. Shut up. Remember one time I once tell us that if me can't have you, nobody can have you. Today is the day. Today is the day.
Lacey.
Stop calling me.
We are.
Lazy,
What me I do? I'm going to show me how to stone. Move this out of my face.
Lacey, we are do.
Come on, come on, know I'm serious.
Lazy, put on the gun.
Put on gun.
Put on the gun, me I beg you. Please put on the gun, Lazy.
Yeah. What you have to say to him?
Listen, me never know say you miss him right here.
I'm tell us you know now.
So what we are going to do, listen, yeah.
What we are gonna do? I know what we are gonna do and me are gonna do. I know what we are gonna do. There's no more way. What we are gonna do?
Put down the gun.
Yeah, I know, you know. I know that, right? You know, my mama did tell her, me did one until I say, if me can't get you, nobody can get you. Yeah, I know.
Messi, what you do?
What me I gonna do? This.
Kiera. It's way cause, Lacey. It's way cause.
See, really, there's a ball of a girl. After me there saw that gun, you there saw a ball of a girl?
Let's just go on, cause I call the police. Just go on.
Yo, and then first me do this, you know, and this one be last. You lucky see she alone gone, and I true me love you here.
Let's
Just relax.
go on, no man.
Relax. Yes, ball. May our soul rest in peace. You're mine now.
Let's just go on, go on.
Brother, let me tell you this. You see any other girl there with you, see you female when you see any other girl there with, as some other share, all of them. So if I 5 girls there with, 5 of them are going. If you miss yourself, you go with them too. So be careful.
Let's go on, no man, go on.
Alright, so yeah, let's talk. Let me get rid of this here now before I trace back the evidence. Man, you get up, mama, you You come like you want to be next one. Get up. Man, you get up, let me get rid of this. Come in, man. Move fast, man.
So which one you gonna put that now?
And that we are going to figure out. Come on, let me carry you. Let me carry you. Yo, you see we just
Fine. Just put him in, please.
brother, you see we just a while ago? Make sure say nobody don't know about this. Say yeah. Just make sure say nobody.
Yes,
Ah, listen, you're an idiot. You're an idiot.
Put on your gun, no man.
Me a go
You
put
just
it
make
down.
me heart a beat.
And my best friend is, yo, can't never left my side. See, my best friend I have failed me. This never fail. So what I'm feel to her now? I tell her say any girl there with not dirty, you know.
Still one relationship with me after you kill my girlfriend.
I have it hard for this. I talk about
Let's-
girlfriend, my youth.
put
You
in
know,
gun.
see how
Put in
empty.
gun.
Me shall empty this night all
Sorry,
the door.
put in gun.
Brother, you just get me upset, yo. Me kill a girl because I love you, yo. And I think to say that you make things better. You come like to make things work.
No,
You're messing my brain.
no get it wrong.
What do you mean, man?
I'm out there with you, but you cannot carry gun everywhere we are go.
And you make all of this up. Me a good girl, brother, but you just mash up my mates and go there with my best friend, my youth.
Alright. We didn't know. You alright now?
Of course, not more a long time. Can't get rid of this, you know. Don't miss yourself, brother, because I'm not afraid to pick you up back. So we're good now.
Yeah.
So we're there.
Yeah.
Alright. That more here. Alright, come here. Give me a hug. I want to look about something for you. Stop going like your friend, you know. I want to look about something for you to eat. We want to eat. We want to eat dinner.
Anything else?
I don't like how you move, you know.
Chicken,
Me and
chicken
girlfriend
and
now, you know.
fries.
You in the fridge?
Yeah.
I'm going to look about something for you. Just lay down and relax, yeah?
Alright.
Come, lay down, remove this. Lay down and relax.
Yeah.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Oh. Not about something.
Yeah.
You have reached the end of the video, guys. The movie. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 I go later. Me know I'm not supposed to anxious right now because of all this. Everybody's supposed to wait and I wonder what will go on. So, you see, if anyway you just watch a movie and not subscribe yet, you need to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell because you don't want to miss part 2. Also, new movie coming soon. We just wait on this to go around like the people them watching and whatever. I want to like, I want to comment. We can drop the next one. Then we're going to start work on part 2. So, thank you for watching. Continue to support. I really appreciate it, and big up on yourself.
Yeah, man, I just remember to go over Kiera and Toga TV, like, share, and subscribe.
Turn on the post notification
bell.
watch the video them to the end.
Over there, you see me? Yeah, man, so.
Be positive vibes. We don't like the negative vibes. Positive vibes only.